शिवोऽहं 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 शिवोऽहं. Guruji, I have planned for full-time sadhana for minimum 1 year in Kashi. Please guide and bless me. Below is my current routine: Ashtanga Yoga plus Durga Saptashati plus Srividya Sadhana, 2 rounds. In the morning he is doing that. In the afternoon, Guru Padaka Mantra, Sukshma Shiva Mantra. In the evening he is doing Khadgamala Stotra plus Srividya Sadhana, again 2 rounds. His question is, please guide on daily practices, especially on food and sadhana as full time. You see that this is very important. Until now in the workshop, in all the videos, I have explained you no restrictions of any type about the food and any type of lifestyle you are living. Okay, because you are doing the sadhana for 1 hour. Now when you come to a decision where you want to give 100% of yourself for your spiritual progress, that is a full-time sadhana from morning to evening. Morning 2 to 3 hours, afternoon 2 to 3 hours, evening or night 2 to 3 hours, I want to do sadhana. Or 3 to 5 hours in the morning, like this, you want to increase the sadhana. At that time, what happens? There is a lot of influence of the mantra, its energy, its consciousness, its intelligence start affecting your body chemistry. So at that time, if I don't adjust my food habit, what happens? The balance will not be there. I cannot meditate 8 hours and go for a Pizza Hut and I have a pizza and burger. Please understand. So if I meditate for 10 hours a day, then what I do? I have to be careful and take a sattvic food. What I mean by sattvic means fruits, vegetables, okay, fresh fruits, fresh vegetable, dry nuts, or lemon juice, or fruit juice, or vegetable juice. Anything, there's no restriction, whatever you like. So you have to go from the solid food to liquid food. For example, first I need to start eating enough fruits, vegetables, okay, first stage, and dry nuts if I am doing the sadhana. And slowly from solid foods like fruits to juice, from vegetable to juice I need to go, and slowly I remove the dry nuts. Like this, then if I am drinking this fruits juice and vegetable juice for 3 to 6 times, you reduce that slowly again from 3 to 6 to 3 times, 3 to 1 time in a day. Okay, because your sadhana need means your body need more time to absorb the energy of the divine. It won't have a time to digest the energy of the food. So in that case, you can do all of that. And one more very important thing I want to tell you: the students who are doing 10 to 15 hours sadhana every day, 10 to 18 hours sadhana every day, you need to take at least half to 1 cup of milk. Okay, good organic milk you need to take. At least 1 spoon of good ghee you need to take it. These 2 things are very important. You need to take ashgard juice, especially in the morning. It's very important. And I'll drink more of alkaline water when you're doing the meditation. These are very important. As you go to the higher level, when you meditate for long time, when you make a meditation as a full day activity, then your food should be very important, because your body is reacting. If you take a heavy food and you meditate 8 hours, you start getting vomiting, you start getting a dysentery, you start getting a pain in your stomach area, and all that will happen. So especially milk is very important, buttermilk is very important, ghee is very important, fruits is very important, vegetables are very important if your kundalini is awakened. Okay, because nowadays many people have written milk is a killer, okay, ghee is not good, it will create a lot of cholesterol, all this, that, so many theories are there. But in our with the Guru Parampara, with the Gurumukhi, we know that how the milk work. It is subtle body, not only physical body we are working with the subtle bodies, energy body, because Kundalini is not just in a physical phenomena, it is working at the subtle dimension. So we suggest all of that. So especially milk in the morning, not in the evening. Okay, so these are very, very important thing when you do the long, full-time activity of your meditation. So yes, you practice you follow the suggestion if you are doing meditation for full time. Shivoham, 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 Shivoham.